Time for your daily zap on NBA.com. A look back at Tuesday night's playoff action, Game 4 of the Western Conference Finals. Lakers and Suns, 2-1 series, but Phoenix coming in with some momentum after taking Game 3. Mark Stoudemire had 42 in that one. Kobe with 36 in a losing effort, of course. This one, packed full of action, and it was the Suns bench. You saw Lou Amundsen underneath for the jam, and there's chanting for I, 1 of 20 coming into this game. He had 14, including 4 trays. Speaking of trays, Kobe with 6 of them. The man dropped 38 in the game. But as I mentioned, the Suns bench, insane. Outscored LA's bench 54-20 in this game. Jared Dudley for 3. Goran Dragic providing a spark. He had a lot to say after the game.
6 minutes to go in the fourth quarter. You know you're coming out and Steve Nash is coming back in. But all of a sudden he's at the table. Coach says, no, you get back out there. I'm leaving Goran in there. How surprised were you?
Yeah, I was a little bit surprised, but second unit, we play really well, defense and offense. So we just play our game. So I'm really happy that we won that game.
It's a 2-2 series. Game 5 Thursday in LA.